So hello, welcome to Poland. Welcome to our university, to the Academy of Social Media Culture in Torun. So maybe for the first, you will make a short introduction of yourself, about you being here.
Okay, thank you very much, Pavel. So my name is Nicolaas Smit. I am an international relations officer at the Namibia University of Science and Technology, which is based in Windhoek, Namibia, on the southwestern coast of Africa. I am in Poland for the first time. I am here on an Erasmus Plus teaching exchange, and so I'm here for the week only.
Okay, could you say something about your university to our viewers?
Okay, of course. Thank you very much, Pavel. The Namibia University of Science and Technology, or NUST as it is known, is one of two public universities in Namibia. It has approximately it has about 15,000 students, and our students are spread across 4 faculties. These are the Faculty of Computing and Informatics, the Faculty of Engineering and the Built Environment, the Faculty of Commerce, Human Sciences and Education, and then the Faculty of Natural Resources, Health and Applied Sciences. NUST offers programs at the undergraduate and the postgraduate level, including honors, masters and PhD programs. And we have campuses in Windhoek. We have a campus in the far north of Namibia at Enana. We've got a campus in the east in Rietfontein. And then we've recently, earlier this year, opened a campus in the south of our country in a town called Luderitz, which is our research campus.
Okay, so you said that is your first visit in Poland. Could you say something about your impression of Poland, your first impression?
Okay, so yeah, as I mentioned, this is my first visit to Poland. I'm very, very happy to be here. And so my first impression is that it's cold.
Okay.
Yeah, so to give you just an idea, yesterday it was 40 degrees Celsius in my hometown. And here it was, I think, 1 degree. So it's a 39-degree change, right? So for me, it's quite cold, but it's manageable. Torun is a very nice town. I have visited the old town. It's beautiful. I like it very much. I've seen the house of Nicolaas Copernicus, but I haven't been inside. I will go tomorrow. I arrived in Warsaw, and from there I took the train to Torun. I very much enjoyed the train. I find taking the train in this part of the world to be very enjoyable. It allows one to see the beautiful countryside and, if need be, to engage in some work or something like that. So in all, I've enjoyed Poland very much. I've discovered that not many Polish people speak English, but this creates a bit more of an adventure for me. But nonetheless, the people are very friendly and very helpful. I had some ginger beer earlier today, which was very nice. I understand it's also something that is local or typical of Torun. So that was very enjoyable, and I look forward to spending a few more days in Poland.
Thank you very much. It's very nice to hear. Could you say something more about Namibia, about tourism in Namibia? Because Namibia is going to be a quite popular destination in Africa for Polish people. So maybe you will say something about that also.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much, Pavel. So Namibia is a very big country. It is about 830,000 square kilometers, and it has a population of about 3 million people. So it is not a very densely populated country. And what this means is that Namibia has a lot of stunning landscapes and natural, untouched beauty. Also there is there is a wide range of wild animals that can be found in Namibia. For instance, lions, leopard, elephant, cheetah. Most of the big 5 can be found in Namibia. And so as a result, many tourists visit Namibia annually to see the beautiful countryside and to also see the animals up close. Namibia has some very or relatively famous tourist landmarks or places to visit. The first of those being the Etosha National Park. It is in the northern central part of Namibia. It is massive. The United Kingdom fits into the Etosha National Park. That's how big it is. And so there is a lot of wildlife there. It is quite highly frequented by tourists, but if you are lucky, you can drive through Etosha without seeing other people. Also, other places in Namibia that are very popular with tourists are Namibia's coastal towns of Swakopmund. It is a small town, not many people live there, but it has still somehow maintained a very German character. So many of our international guests who travel to Namibia from Germany like to visit Swakopmund. Also, because it's a coastal town, the weather is a lot cooler there than what it is in Windhoek. Then in the south of Namibia, what is also very popular for tourists is Sossusvlei. And Sossusvlei is an area where you find some dunes, and in the middle of the dunes is a valley with dead trees that have been standing there for thousands of years. And it's very popular for tourists to visit. The dunes are, the sand is a beautiful red color. And so it's very, very nice to visit. Namibia also has the world's second largest canyon. It is only the Grand Canyon in the United States that is bigger, and it is called the Fish River Canyon. It is a tourist landmark, it's a tourist landmark, and at a certain time of the year, I think from July to August, one can even hike the Fish River Canyon. Of course, there are other very interesting sites in Namibia. For instance, there is Teufelfontein, where one will find rock engravings that have been made by San hunter-gatherers as far back as 6,000 years. This is also a UNESCO heritage site, and there are many other sites in Namibia where one will find rock engravings, but also rock paintings.
So, this was our guest, Nicolaas Smit. Thank you for being here, thank you for your interview, and hope we'll meet another time.
Thank you very much, Pavel. Thank you for the time and the opportunity to speak to you a little bit about my first impressions in Poland, and to speak to you about Namibia, and thank you very much for your very, very warm hospitality. It's very much appreciated.